Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome and hello. I'm Shell. So today's video, I have a haul for you guys. I have a few things from Kiara Sky, um, Young Nails, and this new company that I found online called Skylark. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got, stay tuned and we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love.
Okay guys, so before we jump into the video, I lost footage of the first part of this video, and the only thing that I'm showing you in the first part is from Young Nails. Only thing I received from them was the protein bond that I will show you guys. So it's going to go from me showing you the box into me talking about the protein bond. So I just want to give you guys a heads up on that. Like I said, that's the only thing that I did purchase from them was the protein bond. So I lost footage, so for some reason it jumps right into it. So as you can see right now, I'm just showing you the Young Nail box, and then after that, I'll be showing you the protein bonds. So and with Young Nails, I believe if you spend $50, you get free shipping. So I always make sure I at least get enough to cover shipping because I go through these on a regular anyway. So yeah, so I picked those up. That was the only thing I got from them. The next thing I got, we're gonna open this box up, and this is from Skylark. So I've done a video like, it had to be over a year or so ago, where IGL Beauty were doing their 60% off sale, and their polishes, the dual packs, were marked down like really inexpensive. They were like, I believe like $5 if you caught them on a good sale. So I have so many of their gel polishes, and I had to pick up a few that I use a lot of. Now, I tried to get them off of there, but they're a little bit more expensive than what I paid for them before, and I refused to pay that amount. So I did a little searching, and I found this company. Um, so only thing about this is I really don't use a lot of the regular nail polish, but I'll probably give these to my mom. If not, I might do like a little basket inside my studio and probably sell them for like maybe $1 to my clients. So I picked up the Cozy Cashmere, and that is in DD172. And this is what that color looks like, really pretty. Like I said, these are colors that I use often, so I needed to re-up. This label is different. I've never seen this label on there before, but yeah. So you just get the matching polish as well. So we got that one. We have Pinky Promise, and that's DD174. And they do also have the matching dip powders. So if you guys are into dip, definitely give that a try if you haven't already. Okay. And some of them are dual as far as the dip powders are concerned, where you can use it as acrylic and use it as dip powder. But I will make sure that you read and the description as well as the comments, because some of those aren't great for acrylic. So just be mindful of that. Then the next color is the Satin Ribbon. Really pretty color. And these are 15 ml bottles. And as you can see, a lot of these are nudes. And then we have Ruffled Trim. These are great colors for like if you just want to just do a neutral color, or you're looking to do a neutral color with nail art on top. These are great background colors. Okay. And that one is Ruffled Trim as DD176. And then last but not least, we have I'm Blushing, and that's DD173. So pretty. Now with the price of these, they were like 5 something, I believe, but then with shipping kind of brought them up to like $7 a piece, if I'm not mistaken, if you wanted to calculate it that way. But they were still much cheaper this way than buying them off of IGL Beauty site itself, because it would have still cost me more per box, and also it would have took longer to get here. These shipped out within, I think, the next day. I got them the same week that I ordered. I believe I got them like 3 days after I ordered them, so that was really quick. And they are based out of California, so I'll definitely be going back to them, ordering more if need be. And so then the next thing I got is from Kier Sky. And I'm kind of mad at myself because when I placed the order, not this order right here, but I placed another order with them. And I meant to add these particular items to it, and I forgot. So I needed some more of their disposable filters, and you get 70 pieces in here. So I bought 2 of those. I've already opened up this one right here. I did do a Black Friday haul video. You probably seen that like 2 videos ago. If you didn't, make sure you go check that out, where I actually hauled their dust collector. And I absolutely love their dust collector. So my aesthetics for the Kier Sky items that I have right now are pink, but I'm transitioning over to white. So I'll be slowly but surely replacing my dust collect. Well, this is my first time having a dust collector, so I'll be replacing my nail drill, my electric nail file, and as well as my Kier nail light. So yeah, so I picked these up, and with the dust collector, you do get 1 pack that comes with it. So I picked those 2 up. And those filters were $7.99 a piece. So, and then I had a 10% off discount, and I paid for the package protection, which was $2.75. So my total came out to $27.27. So shipping was $7.99, tax was $2.43. My subtotal was $16.85. And like I said, I'm kind of mad at myself that I didn't order all of this together, but such is life, right? So last but not least, the star of the show is in this box. And before I show you guys that, I want to show you this. I thought this was really cute. So Kier Sky has an apron. And you know I'm all about the pink. So let's open it up. This is my first time opening it up. So it has its name of the company up top. And then it has 2 pockets in the front. So it has, you know, you tie it around your waist, and then it has the adjustable straps to go around your neck, so depending on how long you want it to drape. So I thought that was cool, and I was in need of a new apron, so when I saw this on the website, I just had to get it. And it seems to be really good. I don't know if you can hear that material. So I'm excited about this, and I've had this package for probably over a month now. When did I order this? I ordered this, I ordered this February the 16th, and it is, the day that I'm recording this video is April the 1st, but you guys won't see this video then. It'll probably be a week later before you see this video. So the apron was $15.99, and I paid $4.75 for the protection. And then I bought myself a new drill. And the drill was $279.99. And then I had a 20% off code. I think they were having a sale at that time. So I picked up me a new drill. And I got it in white. Like I said, I'm changing everything out. Now, let me tell you the story behind the reason why I decided to repurchase these items. My pink one, you got to be really careful how you handle your drills. So I dropped the handpiece, and when I dropped the handpiece, the plug that goes into the handpiece that fits into the base right here, it broke. So I had to buy me a new drill. The drill itself was still working. It's just that particular piece. I'm not even sure if they sell the separate piece or not, but I just decided to go ahead and get a white one. And also because, let me show you this really quick. This is their limited edition. It was the, was it, what did they call it? It's like a mermaid type color. I could be wrong, but it has like that shifting color. And you can see how it's peeling. It's so ugly. So ugly. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. So I decided to go ahead and replace these. And yes, I'm replacing them just because of that. At least for this anyway. I haven't bought a new one yet. But one of the reasons why I was going to change them out anyway was because of that. And then once I broke this drill, I decided, what the hell? Let me just go ahead. And I didn't want to drop that much money at one time because I could have got all of this in a bundle. But baby, let me tell you, it's not that serious. Especially if I already got stuff that I can use. I'll just rather just take my time. So I got one more item to replace, and that's the nail light. But yeah, so this is the drill. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. So this is what the back of the box looks like. And I keep all my Kiara Sky boxes. Really pretty. And you just slide this out. I love, love, love their packaging. They give you those little cute little heart-shaped peanuts inside the box. And then the wrapping paper, the tissue paper that they have in there, it has a little heart on it as well. So I love the little cute saying. So each one of their boxes, counter, when you open it up, they have a different saying based off the item that you purchased. So this one says, you know the drill. So you get this, and these are the different colors that they come in. And then a warranty card. Then you get your instructions and all of that. You get the base to sit the this piece on, or you can clip it however you want to do it. They have everything packaged so well. And then you have the cord. I'm not going to take it out. And then this is the piece that you put on the side of your drill, on the side of this. And you can put the hand piece on there, and you use that if you're gonna have it attached to your side. And then they give you a large barrel non-coated diamond. Oh, I'm sorry, large barrel fine non-coated diamond top coat. Top. So has a little diamond on the top of it. Okay. And then it also comes with your sanding bit mandrel. Okay. And then this is the little cradle where you put the handpiece if you're going to keep it on your nail station. And then we have the handpiece. And it has their initials, Kiara Sky. Okay. Okay, guys, so this is everything that I got in my whole haul. Okay, guys, so this is everything that I got in my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you stay to the end of this video, thank you so much. I appreciate you. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. I will have everything linked down in the description below if you guys are interested. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.
On a Tuesday, he gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need.